This DeBuyer Mineral B carbon steel pan is like a trusty old friend in the kitchen. It's 11 inches wide, so it has plenty of space for cooking. The cooking surface is about 8.3 inches. This pan is great for making crispy chicken or searing steaks. You can also easily sauté vegetables or reheat leftovers. It's made in France, and that often means good quality. People who love to cook will appreciate how versatile this DeBuyer Mineral B carbon steel pan is. One of the best things about this pan is what it doesn't have. It's free from harmful chemicals like PFAS, PFOA, and PFOS. That's good news for your health and peace of mind. Cleaning is also pretty easy, especially after it's been seasoned. Think of seasoning like giving the pan a natural, non-stick coating over time. While it might not be as slick as a Teflon pan right away, it gets better with each use. This DeBuyer Mineral B carbon steel pan is built to last, so it's a good investment for any home cook. If you're looking for a reliable pan that can handle high heat, this is a great choice. It might not have a fancy non-stick coating from the start, but its natural properties shine through with use. It heats up quickly and evenly, which is important for good cooking. While you might need to put in a little effort with seasoning and care, many cooks find the results well worth it. This DeBuyer Mineral B carbon steel pan is a solid workhorse in the kitchen, and it won't let you down. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: great for searing, good for sautéing, works for reheating, no nasty chemicals, made in France. 11-inch size, 8.3-inch cooking area, carbon steel, durable material, PFAS free, PFOA free, PFOS free. Cons: hand wash only, not non-stick initially, handle can get hot, uneven heating possible, food can stick, not for acidic food, large for storage, rivets trap food. Features: DeBuyer brand, Mineral B line, carbon steel, 11-inch size, 8.3-inch cook surface, great for searing, good for sautéing, also for reheating, PFAS free, PFOA free. The DeBuyer Mineral B carbon steel fry pan is an 11-inch pan with an 8.3-inch cooking surface. Made in France, it's great for searing, sautéing, and even reheating food. This pan, from the Mineral B line, is made of carbon steel and does not contain PFAS, PFOA, or PFOS. This 11-inch DeBuyer Mineral B carbon steel pan from France is great for searing, sautéing, and reheating food without using harsh chemicals. It has an 8.3-inch cooking space and is made from a strong material that should last a long time. Keep in mind that this pan needs to be washed by hand and isn't non-stick when you first get it, so food might stick at the beginning. Also, the handle can get hot, and the pan might not heat evenly. It's not the best choice for cooking acidic foods, and its large size might make it tricky to store. Plus, the rivets that hold the handle can trap bits of food,